In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add music to a photo here on an iPhone. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead on your iPhone and open up that app store, and what you're going to want to do is search for an app called CapCut. Go ahead and hit enter, and when the search results do pop up, choose CapCut right here and download it. After it does download it, go ahead and open it up, and once you're inside, you're going to want to choose the projects options right here, and then choose create and select the photos up at the very top. Go ahead and choose whatever photo you'd like to go ahead and add a picture to. Go ahead and choose whatever picture you'd like to add music to, and what you're going to want to do is add it to your thing. Your photo is now going to appear on the timeline. You can tap and adjust it to your liking if you want to crop certain stuff out. It's completely up to you. In my case, I'm just going to leave it exactly as it is. But from here, you're going to want to select on the very bottom an option for audio. Go ahead and open that up, and then select sounds, and CapCut's going to give you a bunch of different library of tracks, or you can import your own by tapping on the folder icon right up here and then importing it from a video. In my case, I'm just going to choose one of these ones right here. Once you find the song you want to add, go ahead and hit plus on it just like so and crop it to be however you like. Delete this little black part at the very end by selecting delete, and then split this right here and delete it as well. From here, hit export up in the very top, and it's going to begin exporting that video and picture. It's going to begin exporting that photo with the audio in here. From here, back out, go to that photo section, and you're going to see it right in here with audio on it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. We can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.